The Connex collection, with its linear design, is ideal for leisure travelers. All cases are available in break-resistant, 100% virgin polycarbonate or polyester, both lightweight yet extremely strong. Made for travelers who put quality, state-of-the-art functionality and value for money at the top of their agenda. X-shaped compression straps and a zippered divider wall ensure smart and easy packing. The custom YKK zippers are smooth running. The integrated Travel Sentry approved combination lock allows TSA screeners to open the lock without destroying it. The packing volume is optimized thanks to a unique shell engineered by Victorinox, as well as a compartment which expands up to 4 centimeters. Extra quiet 60mm Hinimoto wheels with silent run Lysoft tires increase maneuverability, even on the roughest rides. State-of-the-art components include an integrated multi-tool for on-the-go charging of electronic devices. Comfort and stability are provided by the lightweight telescopic soft grip hull handles, engineered by Victorinox. Once packed and ready to go, customers can expect an enjoyable and easy journey. Connex Collection. Smart, strong, striking.